In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S25 and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode. Begin by opening settings and scrolling down to hit advanced features. Over here. Now tap on one-handed mode and use gray switcher to activate it. Then pick one of those options to reduce display size with gesture or a button. When you finish, follow all of the instructions below the chosen one. In my case, double tap the home button. So when I do that, one-handed mode is on. To resize it, hold one of its corners and drag it. To change placement of it, you can click on this icon on the left or on the right, or hold this line at the top and drag it. To go back to standard size screen, click on blurry area, and to disable one-handed mode completely, use the same now blue switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!